Hey guys, Tanner with Phone Skope here. We are going to cover our buyback program in this quick video, so check it out. To get started, you go into the store and going to register, enter your information. Once your information has been entered, you've registered and confirmed, you'll go and log into the website. Once you're in there, you'll go into buyback and submit a buyback. Once you're in here, there's your information to ship that buyback case or competitor product to. For here, we are looking at a Phone Skope case, so you'll select the Phone Skope case or cases that you'll be sending in. Once you find your case that you'll be using, go ahead and select it. And once you've selected it, you will want to look to see if you're sending additional. If you are, put that information in there. And then we will need a tracking number before it submits. So go grab your case, get it shipped to the address above. If you're submitting a competitor product, you'll select no, the make and model of the competitor product, and then enter the same information that you would otherwise. Then hit submit. So now once that's submitted, you can go in, view details, check the tracking number, and you can see where the buyback is at, see the submission date and the buyback number. Once that's received from us, we will process, which you'll receive an email, or if it's ready to go, we will go direct to completed. Once that's completed, you'll receive an email with the gift card code for the website. As you can see here, you have your gift card number and amount. We'll hop over into my inbox to check out the test, and there you go. So use that gift card number at phoneskope.com. Again, if you need to review, that shows now the status is completed. If you have any questions, feel free and give us a call, 800-790-4480, or send us an email, support@phoneskope.com. Thank you for watching, and have an awesome day.